Welcome back, guys. We get our first order for a HOTAS joystick table mount, and today we are building it and you are live dabei.
Live dabei.
Okay. Nein. So the clamps are attached now. Now we only have to sand the aluminum plates. These are the little ones that go on top. They also get the rubber underneath them. But that comes later. First stop, sanding. Of course we will put in some other screws to fixate the Warthog stick and throttle to the plates. Here's one of the drilled plates, which is not sanded at the moment. And also here we have two plastic plates that go in front here. We probably will not put them on before, because if you want to set up your table mount, you need an Allen key here to loosen the screws, and then you can adjust the mounting plate in height. The problem is, if you would put on the plastic plates here before, you can only use an Allen key with a ball head to get in here. A normal straight one wouldn't work. So we will let them loose for the moment. Of course, we will put them in the little plastic bag, and then you can put them on yourself. Back from the sanding. Now the top plates are super pretty, and the mounting plates of course too. This one is for the Warthog. It's upside down at the moment. And this one comes of course on the right side. Like this. And then the Warthog is ready. The Warthog mount is ready. And we have to package all of that. And then this package goes out to Malmö in Sweden. And our first two table mounts. We are a little bit proud of them. I hope you like them too. We will see you again in the next video.